Another application of the determinant is the following problem. We want to find the real parameter k such that the three vectors a, which is 1, 0, 5, b, which is 2, k, 1, and c, which is 0, 1, 1. We want these three vectors to be linearly dependent. And when we have three vectors, each of them having three components, we can write them into a matrix, and the vectors will be linearly dependent if and only if the determinant of this matrix is 0. So we consider the determinant 1, 0, 5, 2, k, 1, 0, 1, 2. And we can write this determinant using the Saurus rule. 2k plus 0 plus 10 minus 0, 0, 1, which is 2k plus 9. And we want the vectors to be linearly dependent. That means this determinant must be 0. And this is an easy equation for the unknown parameter k. 2k is minus 9. So k is minus 9/2. So if k is this value, the three vectors are linearly dependent. And for other different values of k, these three vectors are linearly independent.